Hi, I'm Idris Evans. I'm the Superintendent here at the West Australian Golf Club. I've worked here for just nearly 30 years. So the Water Authority, basically where we're licensed to take water from the ground, is going to cut our water allocation by 10% in August 2028. So the challenge there is a diminished water supply and water use, so we had to come up with a better strategy to better water the golf course. The old system's coming up to 25 years old and it was failing, so we've basically engaged in new groundwater to supply a new system. We're going to go with hard edge watering, so where we're not going to be watering into the roughs. So we're targeting where we want the water to be delivered and better use of that water. What attracted me to the Vortex units were they were non-mechanical, no maintenance, very simple, so they're put into the system on the mains, coming off our pump station, and it delivers water better and more efficiently. The installation of this system, basically we've been laying the main lines first. We're putting in a whole new system, obviously sprinklers included. The old system had 910 sprinklers. We're going to about 1150 sprinklers. So we've got more sprinklers but more efficiency. We're using PVC mains. It's a Toro system, so a central controller will control it. And so they've commenced laying the main lines and we hope to start laying some sprinklers down in the ground fairly soon. Well, with the Vortex units, they say that the water is delivered more efficiently, softer, so there's more efficiency for the pumps, which is obviously a power saving for us and an energy saving. It's remarkable, really. We're drying the greens down a lot more, so in actual fact, probably should see more hotspots, but we're not. And from all the information that's available to us, it basically allows the nutrients to be better used in the ground. So hopefully there's a reduction in fertiliser use as well. So we're very excited to put it in the ground and test it and benchmark it against future years. My irrigation tech's going to be pretty excited as well, moving forward with the new system. There's going to be a labour saving for us, better use of the water, more accurate delivery of the water. So hopefully we're going to produce a better golf course to the members.